Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Ophenia Pomalo from Philippines. I'm 26 years old and I'm single. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I had 3 brothers and 4 sisters. My father is a farmer. My mother is a farmer also. I work here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 4 years. I serve 3 members such as 2 adults and 1 children, 5 years old boy. My main duties are taking care children, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the dishes, doing laundry, and cooking meals. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I'm honest, hardworking, trustworthy, and helpful person. I'm willing to learn and follow the instruction of my employer. I'm promised to finish my 2 years contract and as long as I need me. I will promise to treat your family as my own family. Thank you.